Did you know that around 1 in 3 adults in the United States are considered obese? That's a staggering number, and it's no secret that weight loss is a common goal for many people. But with so many different exercise options out there, it can be tough to know where to start. First things first, it's important to know that there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to weight loss exercises. The best exercises for you will depend on a variety of factors, including your current fitness level, any health conditions you may have, and your personal preferences. That being said, some exercises are generally more effective for weight loss than others. Here are a few to consider. Squats. This classic exercise is great for building lower body strength and burning calories. Plus, it can be easily modified to fit your fitness level. Push-ups. This exercise targets multiple muscle groups and can help increase your metabolism, making it easier to burn calories throughout the day. Jumping jacks. This simple, cardio-heavy exercise is great for getting your heart rate up and burning calories quickly. Yoga. While yoga may not be as intense as some other workouts, it can still be a great option for weight loss. Certain types of yoga, like power yoga, can be especially effective for burning calories and building strength. Of course, it's important to remember that exercise is just one piece of the weight loss puzzle. A healthy diet and lifestyle are also crucial for achieving your goals. So whether you're hitting the gym or trying an at-home workout, remember to find exercises that you enjoy and that work for your body. With dedication and consistency, you can achieve your weight loss goals and live a healthier, happier life. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.